everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach definite integrals, that is chapter number 7. So exercise 7.9. Okay, first problem is evaluate integration of x plus 1 dx and the limits they have given is minus 1 to 1. So integration of x is x square upon 2 plus integration of 1 is x and the limit they have given is minus 1 to 1. So in place of x I am going to substitute that. This is called as upper limit, this is called as lower limit. So here 1 square minus lower limit is minus 1 square plus in place of x upper limit is 1 minus lower limit is minus 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now minus into minus is plus, here 1 and here also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, the second question is integration of 1 by x dx and the limit they have given is 2 to 3. So integration of 1 by x is log x. So the limits are 3 and 2. So upper limit is 3, so I have written log 3 minus log 2. Now there is a formula for logarithm. Log m minus log n is log m by n. So the answer can be written as log 3 upon 2. Okay. Third question is integration of 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9 and dx. Now 4 integration of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 5 integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 plus 6 integration of x is x square divided by 2 plus integration of a constant is a x. Fine. And the range they have given is from 1 to 2. Wherever there is a x, you need to substitute this. Okay, 4 and 4 get cancelled. In place of x, upper limit they have given is 2. So 2 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4. Here, this limit. Minus 5 upon 3. In place of x, 2 cube minus 1 cube. Limits. Plus 3 and x in place of x, 2 square minus 1 square plus 9. In place of x, upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 1. Fine. Now 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 minus 5 upon 3. 2 cube is 8 minus 1 cube is 1 plus 3. 2 square is 4 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Now 16 minus 1 is 15 minus 5 upon 3. 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 9 ones are 9. So if you calculate this, you will get a 64 upon 3. Fine. The fourth question is integration of sine 2x dx. So the integration of for sine is minus cos. Since there is a number 2 here, so I have written 2 in the denominator part. Fine. And the limit they have given is 0 to pi by 4. So 0 to pi by 4. Minus 1 upon 2 I have written here outside. Cos 2 in place of x, upper limit is pi upon 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Minus cos 2 into in place of x write 0. Fine. Now cos pi is 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So here you will get 0 minus 1 means minus 1, minus into minus is plus 1 upon 2. So the final answer is 1 upon 2. Fifth question is integration of cos 2x dx. Now integration of cos is sine. Since there is a number 2, so I have written 2 in the denominator part. So the limits they have given is 0 to pi by 2. So 1 by 2 I have written outside. Sine 2 in place of x, pi by 2. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. Minus in place of x 0. So sine 0. Fine. Now sine pi is 0 minus sine 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So the final answer is 0. Let's move on to the next sum. Now question number 6 is integration of e raised to x dx. So range is from 4 to 5. So integration of e raised to x is e raised to x and lower limit is 4, upper limit is 5. So e raised to 5, that is upper limit, minus e raised to 4, that is lower limit. Fine. The seventh question is integration of tan x dx. So integration of tan is log secant x and the limits they have given is pi by 4 and 0. So log secant upper limit is pi by 4 minus log secant 0. So log of sec pi by 4 is root 2 minus secant 0 degree is 1. So log root 2 minus log 1 is always 0. So the final answer is log root 2. Now 8th question is integration of cosec x dx. So the integration of cosec is log cosec minus cot, and the limits they have given is pi by 4 and pi by 6. So log cosec upper limit is pi by 4 and here minus cot pi by 4 minus log lower limit cosec in place of x pi by 6 minus cot pi by 6. Fine. Log cosec pi by 4 is root 2, that is 45 degree, minus cot 45 is 1, minus log cosec 30 degree. 30 means it is 2 minus cot 30 degree is root 3. Fine. Now here log m minus log n, as you know that according to the formula it is log m by n. So root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus root 3. 9th question, integration of dx upon root 1 minus x square. So there is a formula for this. It is sine inverse of x. So limits is 0 and 1. So sine inverse of, in place of x, 1 minus sine inverse of 0. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 0 is 0. So answer is pi by 2. Okay. Now 10th question is integration of dx upon 1 plus x square. So integration of this is tan inverse of x and limits is 1 and 0. So integration tan inverse of upper limit is 1 minus tan inverse of lower limit is 0. So tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 minus tan 0 is 0. So the final answer is pi by 4. Let's move on to the next question. So 11th question is integration of dx upon x square minus 1. So there is a formula for that. Integration of dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a. Fine. I will apply this formula here. So 1 upon 2, a is 1, so I have written only 2. Log x minus 1, in place of a it is 1 here, divided by x plus 1. So the limits are from 2 to 3. So in place of x I am going to write 3. Okay, here also 3 minus lower limit is 2. So in place of x I am going to write 2 here. So 1 upon 2 log 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 ones are 2 2s are. As you know that log m minus log n is log m by n. So I can write 1 upon 2 log 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3. Fine. So this 3 goes in the numerator part and 2 comes in the denominator part. So the final answer is 1 upon 2 log 3 upon 2. So question number 12 is integration of cos square x dx. Now again there is a formula for that, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So this is the formula for cos square, because directly there is no formula for cos square, right? So 1 upon 2 I have kept it outside. Integration of 1 plus cos 2x dx, that is numerator part. Now integration of 1 is x plus integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2, and the limit they have given is pi by 2 and 0. So in place of x I am substituting pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin 2, in place of x pi by 2. Fine. Next 1 by 2 pi by 2 plus sin pi is 0. 0 into 1 by 2 is 0. 0 plus pi by 2, again it is pi by 2. So pi into 1 is pi. 2 2s are 4. So this completes your 12th sum. Let's move on to the next sum now.